Ireland may not have the same type of winter that we have in Canada, but the Irish language does have some words to share when navigating the winter. Let's take a look at a few so you can use them the next time you're outside in the snow. If we want to identify flakes of snow, we say
Calógasneachtaigh.
More specifically, a classic stellar dendrite is called
Sneachta dearg.
You've seen tiny specks of snow. Irish uses
Finógasneachtaigh.
To describe small particles of snow, you can use
Caitnínísneachtaigh.
Classic grapple-shaped snow can look like tiny snow cones. These are called
Spiógasneachtaigh.
When a snow is falling at about -3 degrees Celsius, snowflakes tend to stick together. This is called
Luógasneachtaigh.
or,
Copísneachtaigh.
meaning large snowflakes lather, froth, or foam. To describe a snow covering, Irish uses
Clúdach bán.
while
Bratsneachtaigh.
can also describe a blanket of snow. When the wind starts up, we get a
Rásneachtaigh.
or a snowdrift. On those really cold days, the snow crunching beneath your feet is called
Sneachta brisk.
pack snow is called
Sneachta dlúite.
when the melt starts, slush or soft ice is called
Bogair.
that mushy, soupy slush is described as
Ghaeltacht.
when you pick up snow on a cold day, it can look like tufts of wool. This is called
Slámana.
on an even colder day, when flakes don't stick together in your hand, this is called
Slámán.
and most importantly, a snowball is called
Céab.
a snowplow is called,
Ceachta sneachtaigh.
while a snow blower is called.
Séadara sneachtaigh.
When driving in the winter, you must be aware of
Airdubh.
or black ice, or you may find yourself in a
Skire.
to skid, slide, or spin, or
Sláánú.
slip, slide. Types of winter weather you may experience:
Sneachta cruaig.
hail,
Flechtneachta.
sleet, or
Pódarsneachtaigh.
fine snow. A big downfall of snow is called,
Dúirteáin sneachtaigh.
while constant showering snow is called.
Ag bíothú sneachtaigh.
When the wind starts, there are many options
Cúilthíní.
for whirling snowflakes, while
Leothní sneachtaigh.
is for lightly blowing snow. A heavy driving snow is,
Séadán sneachtaigh.
and a squall or blizzard is called,
Ag caithe sneacht.
meaning beating, flurry, heavy, driving snow. Thank you for joining us while we explored Irish words to use in our Canadian winters. Now it's time to get bundled up and head outside in the snow.